clean, green, action. Green's out. Jimmy Greg, there's Levi Hargrave, going to take a long way around there tonight up on the high side. Way up high. Clear. He goes into fourth. Reynolds right there. Here comes Levi. Trying to win it for his grandma here tonight on her 55th birthday. Levi Hargrave up in turn. Number 3. Doing a pretty good job so far, isn't he? There he is in the 3rd place. Now he's tucking to the bottom of the racetrack. In the 2nd comes Levi Hargrave. 4 this time home. Senior Hornets are on deck. Levi Hargrave is going to circle right around his front with his on a plan. There he goes. At it at the line. Into the lead. 5 for him this time. Couldn't be any better. Jimmy Greg from the bottom. Back second. Now Hargrave all out. Full rich. So Levi Hargrave has 6 perfect laps. No problem at all. Running away is what he's doing. 9 complete for Hargrave. Jimmy Greg is a distant 2nd here tonight. 9, there he goes. Levi Hargrave is on his way here tonight. 2 to go at the line. White flags out this time for Levi. Couldn't have rode it any better. There he is, right in front of his grandma one last time. Levi Hargrave can almost cut it off. Get it home now. Hargrave off the corner. It's his grandma a birthday present here tonight, right there on the front stretch. Checkered up is Levi.